This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by hunting legal, free access points. Follow creators on social platforms where they post previews and announce freebies. This builds context. Once done, check bios and pinned posts for free sublinks or tip-based content. Creators often post samples to attract subscribers. Make sure to join giveaways and follow creators' instructions to win free months. This approach respects creators' rights while giving you preview access and occasional free subscriptions without breaking rules. Next, actively and respectfully engage. You can message creators, asking about sample content, promo codes, or temporary access. Some creators offer complimentary previews to build rapport. Once done, participate in live chats, comment threads, or fan communities where creators drop limited offers. Make sure to support creators in non-monetary ways too. Sharing their content or joining fan groups can lead to reciprocated access or private freebies. This keeps interactions ethical and increases your chance of free content. Finally, broaden your sources and handle issues calmly. Many creators post free material on blogs, Patreon tiers, or other platforms. Use those instead of circumventing paywalls. Once done, join fan groups and Discord servers that legally aggregate previews and promo alerts. Make sure to troubleshoot access problems by verifying your OnlyFans account, clearing cache, or contacting the creator for technical help. If access is denied, do not attempt account bypasses. Instead, request legitimate options or wait for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.